Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best big duffel bags for traveling. An extra-large option designed to meet all your packing needs. This is the Vorspack Extra Large Duffel Bag, a 100-liter capacity duffel that's perfect for long trips, camping, weekend getaways, or any adventure where you need serious storage space. Right off the bat, the size of this bag is impressive. When fully unfolded, it measures 31.5 by 16.5 by 11.8 inches, giving you a massive 100 liters of space. That means you can pack everything from clothing and gear to bulkier items without worrying about space. Whether you're heading out on an extended vacation or need a reliable bag for camping equipment, this duffel has the capacity to handle it all. Durability is key for any travel bag, and this one stands out with its thickened 600D polyester material. Not only is it water-resistant to protect your belongings from splashes and light rain, but it's also designed to be tear and wear resistant, making it tough enough for rough handling and long-term use. The material is odor-free, adding an extra level of comfort when packing and storing. One feature that enhances the bag's longevity and strength is the tight cross-stitching used throughout. This reinforcement ensures the bag holds up under heavy loads and won't give out easily. Speaking of heavy loads, the duffel's base features 3-inch extra-wide webbing that's thickened in high density. This webbing significantly boosts the load-bearing capacity, allowing you to carry larger and heavier items with confidence. Plus, the padded fabric handle makes carrying the bag much more comfortable, even when it's fully packed. Functionality doesn't stop at durability. This duffel is equipped with a smooth two-way SBS zipper that features a keyhole for locking, so you can secure your items when traveling through busy airports or crowded places. The bag folds down compactly to just 8.7 by 8.7 by 1.6 inches, which makes it incredibly easy to store when not in use or to carry as a backup bag on the go. Versatility is another strong point for the Vorspack duffel. It's designed to serve multiple purposes. From a gym bag or overnight weekender bag to a reliable gear carrier for camping or even a house-moving storage solution. This multi-use capability means you're investing in a bag that can adapt to many different situations and activities, making it an excellent value. The lightweight design, at just under 0.7 pounds, adds to the ease of travel without sacrificing capacity or durability. And because it's unisex and comes in a sleek black color, it fits a variety of travel styles and preferences. In summary, the Vorspack Extra Large Duffel Bag combines generous capacity, sturdy construction, water resistance, and practical features like locking zippers and wide webbing support. It's a fantastic option for travelers, campers, and anyone in need of a reliable, foldable, and spacious duffel bag. If you want a bag that can hold a lot, withstand the rigors of travel, and pack down small when you need it to, this might just be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.